Hi everyone, so today I'll be teaching you how to make this pipe cleaner snowflake garland thingamajig. What you're going to need is a long piece of yarn to put your snowflakes on. I have mine, it's way too long, I'll probably cut it shorter later, but I'm going to leave it for now. I'm using this weird blue stuff because it's wintry themed. And then you'll need 2 pipe cleaners per snowflake. It depends on how many you want to make. I already made, as you can see, 4. I made 2 blue, a silver, and a blue and silver. And haven't making another silver, but you can do more, you can do less, you could just do 1. It's up to you. Just you need 2 pipe cleaners per snowflake, and you could use the fuzzy ones. I'm just using the sparkly ones because I like them. What you're going to do is take your 1 pipe cleaner, line them, meet the ends up, fold it in half, just like that. And you want to open it back up, but don't open all the yarn to keep this mark. Now this is the tricky part. You have to kind of eyeball it. You have to make it folded in thirds. You have to fold it in, and then fold it, and then fold it at that point in. Because you want it to be folded in thirds so that this will end up being 3 things. There's a hair stuck to it. That's annoying. Then you open it back up like that, and you go on this side, fold it in, like that. And then you fold it at the end, right here, see right there is where you fold the next time. If it's not perfect, the world won't end, I promise. Then you open it back up, like this, take the center, and fold this in like this, so it goes like that. This is it's one by itself, and this is the extra piece, like there. And then you take this part and you twist it, like that. You can twist it however many times, just make sure so it stays together. And then you take this part and fold it in like this. So now you have 2 by themselves here, and then a loop and a loop. And then take this and you fold it and you give it a twist or 2. It doesn't matter how many times you twist it, just until it stays together. And then you take these 2 single bits and you twist them together. And now if yours ends up like mine, we folded it a little uneven and this part's a little longer than the rest, just take the end and fold it, which it's the sharp pointy end anyways, so that is a good thing to fold over anyways. So now you have this. So now you take your other pipe cleaner and you repeat those steps. You fold it in half, open it back up, fold it into thirds, like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as close as you want it to be. Open back up, fold this in, like that, and fold this in. And open it back up, fold this part in like this, twist this a little bit, fold this part in like this, twist this, take these 2 parts, twist them, and bend the ends over. If you don't want to stab yourself with the ends, you just take pliers and go chomp on them like this. It's a lot less painful. It also helps for doing the connecting them to the yarn part. The pliers help for that a little bit too. So now you take, your 2 pieces, and you're going to line them up like this, but you don't have to do that yet. You have to figure out where on the yarn they're going, and if they're not exactly in the right place, they do slide a little bit, so it's okay. See, I put this one on this end, and then have blue, 2 colored, and then blue. So I want my silver one to go over on this end, because then it's like even pattern. I have a problem with things being symmetrical sometimes. So then I take them, and I put the yarn sandwiched in between, you see. I took one, laid the yarn there, so it's like this. Took the other one, put it like this. Now while you're holding it like this, whichever one's in front, which is the one with the top here, you want to fold that and hold it until everything in place tightly while you do this. Keep your yarn out to the side like this while you do this. And then take this part down here, the one that was the bottom one on the front. Now you have 2 here, but you want the front one. And you take that one and you fold it up. So they basically just traded positions. Now it looks a little weird because they're not all the same length. This could secure it, and if you're okay with the length, you always cut the ends off of these or something. But you can make it more secure and also not have to cut it. You just take this and you bend this way. Focus camera. And you bend this one this way, so they trade places just like the other ones did. And then you just repeat the same step with the last pieces. So this one bends this way, and then this one bends this way. And then this becomes kind of thick right there, so we take pliers and just kind of smush it. It makes it a bit flatter and also hugs the yarn a little tighter so it stays better. And then if you find it one of your bits is still uneven like this one is, just take the end and bend it up a little bit, and no one will ever know. And then boom, you just repeat this for all of them. And then if you see how they're not evenly spaced, I can just slide this one down a little bit like that. Now they're even. So now you just repeat the same steps. You can watch the video again if you need to make more. And then you just make it however long you want. I'm just going to do 5 because I'm going to use it as my backdrop for now, because I'm tired of this one. So this is how you make them. So give us a thumbs up if you like pipe cleaner crafts, and comment down below any ideas. I'm always open to ideas. I'll try most anything, and subscribe. Bye!